Right, going into the foyer and the main entrance. Shayla mentioned 2 bonus rooms. Well, here they are.
And you can tell by looking at art that just how high these ceilings are. They're ridiculously high.
Look at the size of these doors.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they are very tall. They're probably 8 foot alone.
So these are both craft rooms, is how my mom has them set up. This was the #1 thing that my dad was insistent on doing for my mom, was giving her 2 different craft rooms. I should probably almost do this tour with her, but I know she doesn't like being on camera, but she'd be able to really show all of the highlights of this room. But
You'll be opening these drawers that you see inside.
yeah.
Storage for the supplies that she needs.
Yes, and she's a very organized lady. She always has been. And she's also a lover of Betty Boop, as you can tell up there.
So are you?
Yes, I am. That's where I got it from. But they designed this way because they figured in the future, if they ever sell this house, if someone else were to buy it, they could actually make this a very large bedroom. And or it could even be an office. That could be a space for a desk, with a chair there. And then those could just be like built-in wardrobes. Even though it doesn't have like a closet, it could still, you could put up a hanging rod in both of those and make this a...
It could be a closet here and then your dresser drawer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. And it's still a very large room. I don't think on camera it really shows just how big this room is.
Justify the size of it.
Right. But you can see, I love how well she keeps everything organized. I love it. That's where I get my organization from. Well, from both of them. They're both that way, my mom and my dad. Yeah, there you go. Let in some light. So just to kind of show you guys just how, if you turned this into a bedroom, like I think even like a twin or a full-size bed, man, you'd still have so much space in here.
The kids' room would be awesome.
Yeah, this would be a very awesome kids' room. And then right across the hall, you got craft room #2. And again, there's that front door right there. And so this one is her long arm. That's why my dad wanted her to have a second craft room, was because this piece of machinery takes up so much space. She's a quilter, if you can't tell. And so she's still got more stuff over here. And it's basically almost an identical room, just the built-ins are a little bit different here because she had different needs in each of the rooms. And they did this, what is this, quartz or granite? Do you remember? It's quartz, right? Or is it granite?
Granite tops.
It is granite? Okay.
All granite.
Okay, so anyway, they did instead of having like the opening for a desk over here, like in the other craft room, they did this one so that she could, have all that stuff.
It's a fixed unit.
Yes.
If someone else were to move in here, that's a perfect spot for a desk.
Yes, it would be. But anyway, up here, I like how much extra space there is up there as well. And then look at all that storage. Isn't that amazing? This actually would be like a good playroom for kids too, because you could like have all the different, yes.
The little racks like Taylor uses, the little binds, or what do you call it, little basket bins?
Yes, yeah, the bins.
In each little section.
Oh, Taylor would have a fit over this room to have it as a playroom.
Yeah.
She'd have this so organized for
a day.
Well, no, she's great at keeping things organized. Yeah, I know the kids would destroy it after a day, but she would probably keep it really nice and neat.
Yeah, I think the boys would pull everything down.
I'm sure they would, but I bet you she'd get it picked right back up. Okay, and then you want to show that little closet right there? Where'd you get to?
A little coat closet?
Yeah. I like that all of their closets have the automatic lights, like a refrigerator. And it's even like deeper than you realize because
Right.
it's got this side over here.
And this is why it's like that.
There
It's
you go.
built into the
Try
door.
do that again.
So that way when the door shuts, it automatically shuts the light off. You get this little desk back here. It's barn doors also.
I think she got this at Hobby Lobby or something.
Really?
I think.
Nice.
Maybe not. Maybe it looks a little bit nicer quality than Hobby Lobby. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else. The laundry room. And do you want to give the tour of the game room?
From little I know about it, it's still under construction.
Yes, but it's still pretty cool. My dad kept expanding this house as he was designing it. And she told him he absolutely was not allowed to finish off this upstairs. And he was like, no, it'll be later on down the road. We won't be doing that for a while. And of course, we haven't done
the mud bench and the little walkways we come in. It's pretty much Sadie's area.
Yes.
Yes, that's a great mud bench with some coat hangers on it and whatnot.
And lots of storage here. Oh, and for pantry number 3, come show this real quick. So they like to say that they have 3 pantries because they use this one for just their extra, paper goods and stuff. And so honestly, this could be a pantry too. Yes. But then, you've got the big pantry over there off the kitchen. And then my mom calls that other one with the slide out drawers, the pantry in a pantry.
Did you see the safe room over here, which is incognito behind this door?
Yeah. Do you feel like walking in?
I think this is pretty neat over here.
Here, I haven't shown any of this room yet, so yeah,
Look
you
at
can
the
go.
size of this laundry room.
Yes, I want this laundry room so bad. I would.
Storage, extra sinks.
Yes.
Can't have enough sinks.
Or storage.
Right. And utility closet.
Yeah, and it has the automatic lights too, and then. I was showing Art earlier. I said, see, this is where I get my organization from. I love that they have hooks for each of their little vacuums and mops and stuff, and just keeps everything nice and organized. It's always nice when you have this, everything has its space, and I love that.
Right out of my mouth.
Yes.
And over here we have.
And they copied our idea. They liked how we did our hanging rod, the industrial type, the pipe. Right. Hanging rod. They did theirs a little bit different because their ceiling's so high, but they copied that idea because they really liked that as well. So here's my dad's favorite feature in this house.
And this is Sadie's edition.
You can let it go back there because he's got the things on the wall.
So here's her personalized shower with.
Is that your shower, Sadie?
I'm not going in there. Look at it, the whole fixture, the shower, everything, the wall and everything. Honestly, as they age, they could even do... We just kidding. Wheel them right to the door.
Actually, Dad's shower is well enough for that. There's no lump there, so you can actually wheel right in to his shower as it is. Okay, so you didn't show the safe room though. You talked about it.
I did not. In fact, I got distracted here. Okay, so this little hidden feature is awesome. Little storm shelter.
Yep.
So I don't know if it opens.
It does.
Oh, it does.
Yep.
If you want to feel like a sardine, you're welcome to come in here.
Come on, Sadie. And then, that one, you didn't open that one. Art likes all of the different, hidden trap. No, the other one.
Which one?
This one. Art likes that there's hidden trash cans everywhere.
Right. I just like the extra sinks everywhere.
Yeah, I do too.
That's
yes. Extra sinks, extra storage, extra trash cans, extra pantries. That's always nice.
And a lot of space that still hasn't been used.
I know, yeah, like she hadn't even filled that up at all yet. But don't you guys love that? Look at the lawn. They've got plenty of space for laundry baskets, dog crate, all the cleaning supplies and cleaning tools and everything. And plus it's just so pretty. The tiles, the colors, the wood shelving with it. I love it. And then, let me back up to show. See that they've got the barn doors here and over there. And so, okay, let's show.
You know, I just noticed that closet doesn't have a light for the pantry closet.
Oh, it doesn't, does it? I guess maybe because there's so many lights out here, you don't
Right.
really need
Now
it
you
so
see well
much.
enough.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
All right, going into the game room, which is not completed yet, but
I'll let you lead the way.
All right. And I think he just finished the stairs and the railing, which is that industrial pipe also, right?
Yes. Yep.
He's gonna keep this all the way.
Oh yeah, she can't go. I was like, come on, Sadie. I forgot she can't go.
Well, I found the ladder.
Oh, I just knew it.
I gotta get up there.
I was thinking because the guys just painted last week. I know, Sadie. The guys just painted last week, and so I thought it would be up here.
So this is gonna be quite an elaborate game room.
Oh yeah, so what I was saying was my mom made my dad promise that they weren't going to finish this off. It was just unfinished space. And that lasted maybe a month. And then he started working on it. So up here, he already plans to put a pinball machine over in that corner. He specifically made that for a pinball machine because he's always wanted one.
Now get a load of all the outlets in this room.
Oh yeah.
The electrician, whoever this was, knew exactly what to do. There's outlets on every corner.
All over the place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 outlets, 11.
Yeah, we already decided that's the electrician we want when we build our own house. Oh, will you go ahead of me and flip those lights on?
Turn this on to show you the bathroom.
And they just finished this bathroom. All they lack is the sink and the toilet in there.
Okay.
But Mom made Dad promise that he wasn't gonna do this bathroom yet either, but it got done. So, yeah. And this is like the one downstairs that I love where it's, I do not want shower doors. I detest shower doors, especially glass ones, but I want a walk-in shower like this where you kind of turn the corner and that way you don't have to clean a shower door anymore. And then of course this will be where the toilet goes in its own little room. They got some shelving there. So it's got its own door. Let me step back this way to show you guys. So there's where the sink will be. There's a door there and a door into the water closet. So if someone in the future wanted to make this a bedroom or a mother-in-law suite or anything like that, they could. There's plenty of space. And another thing my dad had, trying to find light switches. Okay, another thing my dad had also thought of, he made this space so giant so that if he ever wanted to, he could literally wall that half off. Let me get back to show you. So wall that portion off. Oh, you're teaching her? Wall that portion off to make it a bedroom with a bathroom in it, and then still have game room space up here too, but I think they decided to go ahead and not do that. Okay, then you want to show the walkout to the attic. And the cool thing we think is pretty cool is that there's still like, yeah, don't let her in, yeah. And there's still like so much space to build out more if someone ever wanted to in the future. Okay, guys, I'm taking you back downstairs into the mud room, and then we're going to go down the hallway here to the master bedroom. One thing my mom loves about her master is her feature wall there. What do you guys think about that? Tell me what your favorite part of this house is. If you haven't seen part 1 of this tour, make sure you check that out next. I will include a link to that in the description. That's where we go through all the other bedrooms, the kitchen, the pantry, and all of that stuff. And what do you think of this master bathroom? I had picked out the shower tile in there and that floor tile. I just love hexagons. But wait until you see this master closet. This is my absolute favorite feature in this house is this master closet. If I could take this closet and the laundry room and the pantry, I would be one happy girl. We have a local builder that my dad does a lot of work with, and they have a floor plan that I absolutely love, but I would like to make a few changes to it. And one day, a couple of years ago, I came across another home that was designed similarly to that one. And I have used Photoshop and kind of put the two plans together and created my own floor plan out of the two of them. So if you guys ever want to see that, it is what I think would make the ultimate home. But of course, we do everything on a strict budget, as you can tell by our home DIY projects versus my parents'. And that is tile floors. They did do the luxury vinyl laminate, and that stuff started coming up just a month after they had been living there. So they had to have all of that torn out and redone. So they went with the actual ceramic tiles that look like wood planks, which is what I have in my house, and that's what they've had in their house in the past. And so they're happy that they went back with that option. But unfortunately, having to redo that, that was quite a large expense that they wish they hadn't had to have done. But everybody had been talking so highly about that luxury vinyl, and if you can keep away from it until they figure out how to make it better, I would stick to the ceramic tiles if it were me. So what do you think of this closet, guys? Don't you just love it? My mom said it was way too big, so me and my sister told her, we'll trade ya. I love having so much storage, though. Hey, guys, if there is anything that you think I missed in this house tour, please do let me know. I'm wanting to set up an interview with my dad to talk about pricing, things that he learned along the way, since this was his first time to be his own general contractor, and see if there's any tips he can pass along. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button so that you don't miss the next video, because next time we're going to show you that completed game room as well as the landscape design that we've been working on at this house. We can't wait to see you next time. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources.